The parish of Manchester is a parish located in the west central Jamaica. In the county of Middlesex, its capital Mandeville is a major business center. Spur Tree Hill nightmare. Some major accident happen on Spur Tree at times, so we gotta be very careful when we are driving on Spur Tree Hill. Road safety experts say inexperienced driver, overweight and defective vehicle are among the main causes for a mishap on the Spur Tree Hill. So guys, just be very careful. Slippery when wet when you're driving on Spur Tree Hill. You gotta be very careful. So guys, you can leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about Spur Tree Hill. You can leave your comments and say what they can do to prevent these type of accident happening on Spur Tree Hill. A lot of people said it's a driver, but to me I believe is also the road. The road is very dangerous, but also sometimes accident can cause by defective vehicle also guys. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think them can do to the place here to prevent all those accidents. So guys, on top of Spur Tree Hill, the view of Manchester lowlands, St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland is a spectacular view. And also in the night you can see the Alumina Partners bauxite processing plant with some dotted red light. It is a nice view to see. Santa Cruz Mountains can be seen down to sea level. So guys, it's a very pretty view at night. So if you're traveling on the Spur Tree Hill main road, you can take a view and see the beauty. Many Jamaicans are afraid to drive on this hill, but when you're driving on this hill going down, just take your time. Very easy to navigate. Just take your time guys. Very scary hill, and it's also have a very steep corner. A lot of heavy unit always run off over into a ditch, very serious ditch. So just take your time guys. So this is the corner. Anytime you hear a big unit coming, it's always blow its horn. So you have to listen very carefully when you're approaching this corner. So when you hear a loud noise, loud horn, so the big unit will say, please stop and give us way. So be very careful when you're coming down this corner, guys.